Hello, Cancer. How are you? Welcome to my channel, and welcome to your reading. Cancer, this is your reading for the month of April. This is a general reading. Take what resonates, only what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Cancer, we'll see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know, Cancer. Okay. Link, there is an extended reading for this one. Link is in description box and comment section. Okay. What do you need to know, Cancer? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know? What do you need to know, Cancer? What are the general messages and love messages you need to know? Page of Pentacles. I'm hearing someone wants to have a fresh start with you. Okay. And this time around, they want to come correct. I also feel like someone wants to gift you something. Okay. They're like they are like, I haven't gifted you since a very long time. Let me give you something. There is someone who wants to spend money on you. That's what I'm hearing. And maybe you were the person who was always incurring expenses on this person in the past, but this person never showed any interest in spending money on you. It was only during the first date, probably this person brought something to you, maybe a flower or a bouquet, but thereafterwards, this person did nothing. This person did literally nothing to impress you. And maybe you went silent. It's not just because they did nothing to impress you, they did not bring anything to you, but I also feel like maybe there was lack of respect. Okay, this person was constantly trespassing the boundaries that you were laying down. You felt disrespected. Okay, and probably this person was, for some of you, this person was also a player, right? So checking out other people in front of you, that was a biggest put off for you, I think so. Okay, Seven of Swords. Yeah, there is some manipulative energy over here. There is some manipulative energy. Or probably this person felt like after separation, when you went silent, when you kind of withdrew your energy from this person's life, maybe you might have blocked this person everywhere. This person probably felt like you have betrayed them, or you went somewhere else and you are seeing someone else, and that is why you blocked this person. I mean, the audacity over here, right? So but this person, deep down, this person knows, like, you're not someone who keeps on jumping from one person to another immediately. Okay, you take your time to heal from a certain situation and then you would like to move on. This person knows the kind of person you are, even though this person entertained the doubts about you moving on, you being with someone else. I mean, for some of you, you might have moved on, but that was only because you felt extremely betrayed and you were mentally prepared to be with someone else, right? Nothing wrong in that. I think so. This person is searching you. Whoever this person is, person from the past, this person is definitely searching you. I feel like this person is contacting common friends, asking about you to the common friends or people who know you. This person is asking about you a lot. I do strongly feel like this person is searching you, Cancer, trying to find your whereabouts. With the Seven of Swords, I feel like you probably are, you're in the hiding. Nobody knows about your whereabouts. Nobody knows where you stay. You might have gotten relocated somewhere, but nobody knows what is your new address. And when I say relocated, probably you didn't even go that far. It's not like you've changed cities. Maybe you're in the same city but in a different location. This person is sad without you, guys. Whoever this person is, very sad without you. Very, very sad. Extremely heartbroken without you. But I also feel with the Seven of Swords next to the Hermit card, maybe this person is realizing something. They're coming to this realization that they themselves are responsible for whatever is happening. They themselves are responsible for whatever has transpired between both of you. They themselves are responsible for the ongoing situation. The King of Swords. I think so. Your defenses are up. You are coming across as someone who is pretty much done. You're coming across as someone. For some of you, you felt like this person is not a compatible person for you. Okay. Like you had to ignore certain interest or hobbies of yours to be with this person, or ignore certain things that you usually like to do to be with this person. Say for example, you are someone who likes to discuss about geopolitics. Okay, just I'm giving a hypothetical example, that might be the case as well, but uh, you say within your family, immediately after you wake up, you and your family members, you like to go through the newspapers or like to read about the world news, what's going on, and then you guys love to discuss about it. Geopolitics is something that you guys really love. Okay. uh, and when it comes to this person, you experience like this person doesn't know the G of geopolitics as well. Forget about being interested in geopolitics, but is not interested. This person has very chosen specific few interest, and you had to force yourself to know about their interest to be with this person. But when it came to your own interest, you couldn't open up about your interest because maybe this person felt slighted, or this person felt their ego was bruised when you used to talk about your interest, because they were unaware of your interest, or they were not interested in talking about your interest. So you had to let go of your interest or your hobbies or your topics of discussions to be with this person. You were like, you had to take interest in whatever is interesting for this person. Okay. So somewhere you felt like you had to compromise, or you had to lower your standards. Somewhere you felt like this is not a match for you. Not an There is no emotional compatibility, there is no intellectual compatibility. Maybe there was a very good sexual compatibility, but then that's that. Nothing beyond that. You felt limited in this connection, and you also kind of realized that this person probably had fragile ego. Okay. Which sort of became intolerable after some point of time. Yeah, you're walking away. Many of you are walking away because you're done with their manipulative tactics and all that stuff. You're inviting someone who is like, you're attracting someone who is going to give you that stability, and who's going to be extremely compatible. Compatibility is extremely important, guys. Very, very important. Okay. You will love. I One thing I see with the Six of Pentacles is like, you will have lot of common hobbies, common interest, common hobbies. Right, that's what I get with Six of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Yeah. You are attracting someone who's gonna be, who will keep on fighting for you. Okay, fighting for this connection, who's gonna put up the work and will not leave the entire responsibility to you to run the show of this connection. Okay, you will feel like you're attracting someone who is mature, who is responsible. You'll feel like you're attracting someone who is willing to take an initiative towards this connection, work towards this connection. Yeah, this person is slowly and steadily coming towards you, this new person. It's quite possible you might meet this person at work or through work, or you might meet this person during travel. Number seven is of some importance, by the way. Month of July is of some importance. Seven of Swords, then we have Seven of Wands, High Priestess. Be observant about your surroundings. You'll get to know. Even if this person comes back, learn to read between the lines. Okay, you will get a lot of hints and a lot of clues about whether you want to continue this connection or you want to exit from this connection. Okay, pay attention to how your body is reacting. Pay attention to the intuitive hunches that you experience when this person will come back to you. There is someone who is coming back. We have self healing. I've adjusted a lot, no more now. I just want peace. This is what you are saying, Cancer. You don't want any kind of nonsense. Okay. We have loyalty. Don't try to be perfect, just be true. Yeah. I think so. This person wants to be loyal. Maybe this person was not loyal in the past. Huh? Now this person wants to be loyal. Now this person is realizing that they need to step up. They need to man up or woman up. Deeply hurt. You not only broke my trust but also me. This is something that you are complaining about this connection. What is this? Memories. I swear I'm missing you badly right now. This person is missing you. I just saw 1111 by the way. This person is missing you badly. It's missing you. We have secret love. Loves you deeply but will never express. Maybe, yeah, this person did not express how they felt, but there is a lot of love. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time and bye bye. Let me show you the cards. Cancer, this is your spread. All right, take care. Have a great time and bye bye.